All right, we're on the road again. We're over here to the Maverick in Laverkin, and we're gonna head up on Kolob yet again for the 5th or 6th or 7th time this week. Once the mountain road starts to open up, people like to get up in there and they take the side roads and end up getting stuck. So I've got Shelby with us today. She's filming, and Andrew, come over here. This is Andrew. This is my cousin Andrew. He's the Winterton Northern Division. What do you have to say for yourself?
I just so excited to be down here with my cousins, and I'll see what we can get into.
I think you're full of crap.
What else do I want to be doing tonight?
I don't know. I'm sure it's going to be, you came down from northern Utah to come to sunny southern Utah in the 86-degree weather, and then we're going to go play in the snow all night, getting out a stuck Chevy Silverado.
So probably in more snow than I've been in all winter up there.
Happy birthday, by the way, tomorrow. So we'll be back on his birthday.
Tomorrow or like in an hour?
Yeah, in like a couple hours. So we'll take you along for the ride, and thanks for coming. Whatever I'm supposed to say.
Wow, you guys are getting after it. This is sweet.
You got the right gear. This is good.
Other than my shifter ought to be pushed back where it ought to be, so it'll go into low range when we're ready for it.
Crap in the way of it or what?
There's way less snow than there was the other day.
That's why actually I thought if it was gonna stay like this, it's not bad, but just where we got stuck, it got a little bit thicker. And then I tried to find a spot to turn.
Yeah, we're in good shape. This is way better than it was. This was so dang deep.
There we go.
And that's where I wanted to turn around, but
I got it. I like it. I like a guy that just says it how it is.
Yeah,
I love it.
I think you're in pretty good shape.
Yeah, no worries. You know what though?
just a tad off.
You made it 2 feet further than the last guy.
Well,
oh, that's awesome. So
you gotta tell me what's
I don't have a plan. I think probably the best thing to do
reverse
is let's pull you backwards, and I'll have you back kind of over towards that tree, and then we'll turn you and get you this way so you're going out frontwards, and then I'll get in front of you, and we'll hook a rope up, and when I'm pulling with the rope, just kind of help me out, but don't run the rope over.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure that there's not.
But if you want, I can have Andrew drive your truck if you're comfortable with that.
If you want, if you feel like 100, like I have a feeling like you're more comfortable.
Yeah, he'll definitely.
This is my first time. I just got my driver's license.
Yeah, it's his first day on the job. Shelves, you're good to go.
Yeah, if you can do that.
Let's just jump out and fire that truck up, and we'll.
Do you ever get stuck?
Me?
Yeah, like with this?
Oh, I get what you call temporarily detained, but I don't ever get stuck. I came down here over the last few days, and I had tire chains on, so I feel a lot better about this trip.
No, if you had one of these, then you'll get really stuck.
Yeah, if you get stuck in one of these, you're really in trouble.
It's a lot tougher to get this up.
Oh, you just get a lot further.
Yeah, you just get further than you should be. Oh, I keep thinking I wanted to maybe grab that front end.
Slide it around.
Where do you want me to stand?
Over here on that crushed snow. What do you think?
I think we get a rollback back here and
I don't know. Keys in that thing?
No,
hand him the keys and I'll have him go get it fired up and get it warmed up so we can hot rod it a little bit. So where are you going to spend the night? Is that thing a two-wheel drive?
It's four-wheel drive. Anything we can help with? straight in, or do you want me to start pulling the front around?
Well, just pick that tree maybe and go right kind of back to the rushy area.
Rushy area right next to the fence post.
Don't go clear back here.
It's on the left.
There we go. You got it?
Oh yeah, it's on the right. Or put it on high low or low before.
We go forward?
Go forward again. There you go. Maybe I will grab that front end.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
It doesn't feel like that traction. Still feels like it's on, don't it?
What's that?
Still feels like that traction still
No, it
on.
didn't feel like it was kicking on it. How do you want the hook?
E-arm was back. Right on it, we can get around there now.
That'll work. That. Hook in the front. Suction there. Yeah, good. Walked over it. You want me to? Yeah, I got it.
there's another light right over there. Somebody else is stuck.
Might be up here all night now.
Are you ready to get pulled out?
I am, and I'm ready to get some gas.
Well, I don't have any gas.
Yeah, I'm ready to get pulled out.
Well, where are you gonna go when you get pulled out?
I guess back to Springdale because I don't want to get stuck again.
All right, so that was a little bit exciting there. We're just laughing. You never know what you're going to come across up here on the mountain, but
It's too dark to drive.
it's too dark to drive, she said. But we were down on the lower section pulling that other vehicle out, the Chevy, and decided, oh, do what we always do, and let's drive up here and make sure that everybody's that's stuck on the mountain is okay. So while we're here, we're going to get them pulled out and get them taken care of. But oh man, that gal is funny.